今年我哋嘅主要嘅主題咧就係交通安全嘅。咁其實我哋每一年咧都會做呢啲咁嘅講座嘅。交通安全一定係其中一環嚟㗎啦。咁今年呢，我諗喺多倫多裏邊比較多嘅交通意外啊，無論係行人啊、車輛啊、單車啊，都有好多發生，即係唔係淨係喺我哋42警區。咁我哋想藉着呢一個交通安全嘅講座呢，等到大家市民，尤其是我哋華人嘅團體裏邊呢，華人呢係希望得益可以喺道路上更加安全。其實過去好多年我哋都有做㗎，只不過最近呢2年呢，我哋希望更加其他 public 即係大眾係可以得益啦，所以我哋揀咗喺一個商場裏面做。咁亦都好高興得到呢個商場係免費贊助，俾咗呢個場地贊助我哋嘅。咁舊年都喺呢度做，今年我哋繼續喺呢度做嘅。全部同交通有關嘅呢，我哋會花起碼1個鐘頭嚟做嘅。無論係道路使用者係行人好啦，騎單車嘅好啦，或者係駕駛嘅時候，所有有關於交通安全嘅消息嘅信息呢，我哋希望喺度係俾到大家嘅。咁另外我哋都仲有好多嘅攤位，其中一個呢就係防止罪案嘅。咁我哋有一位警員同埋我哋有一個翻譯喺度呢，係廣東話同埋國語翻譯呢，都係會做俾大家一個家居安全啊或者其他防盜方面嘅信息喺嗰度嘅。我哋會知道其實最近幾個禮拜或者呢2個月呢，主要都係行人過馬路嘅時候用緊手機啊，有啲事情係做緊 text 啊，嗰啲我哋想提醒大家真係後生嘅過馬路嘅就真係唔好喺度聽住音樂啊，或者係做緊 text 嘅時就喺度用手機、智能電話做嘢，甚至乎亦都仲有好多人呢係駕駛嘅時候都仲係講緊電話嘅。咁呢樣嘢我哋全部都係想再提醒所有市民係小心。
My name is Police Constable Gary Gomez. I'm the Crime Prevention Officer at 42 Division, and I'm here at the Traffic and Crime Prevention Conference to showcase some of the crime prevention strategies that we use at 42 Division. Our main purpose is education, to educate our community members about traffic. As you know, traffic is a very serious situation in Toronto. We've had a lot of pedestrians being hit and also being killed while crossing the street, while walking. So we take that very seriously. So we want to educate our community members about traffic safety, about how to walk, pedestrian safety, things like that. And I'm here to showcase crime prevention strategies that we use at 42 Division. So it's traffic and crime prevention. There's also a lot of different other things displayed here as well. Some of these are my crime prevention products that I use. I talk to people about keeping their wooden door, try to keep it from being smashed or broken, because when someone wants to break into your home, see, this is just an example of a door. What they will do is they will kick it from the outside, and then the door just smashes here, and that's where it breaks. That's the vulnerable spot right here. So what we do is we put this, and we put it over this spot here. So instead of it being just a little piece of wood to break, you'd have metal like that to break. So, which means that the front door will not break. It won't break. Because if you look at the amount of wood that keeps the lock in place, it's very small, right? So this is what we use, and if you don't want to use the whole door, you can use just the part for the deadbolt, because that's the thing that keeps the door locked, is the deadbolt, right? We show our this is it's what they call a security glass. It's for glass, a security laminate, and it's quite strong. So sometimes people have glass on their doors, on their front doors. Like if this is the front door, you'd have maybe some glass here, some glass there. Now, if a criminal thinks about it, he can break the glass and reach his hand around and unlock the door. So for the glass here and here, we have this security laminate that goes on top of the glass and prevents the glass from being broken. Like that glass will not break. So, and this is one of the weapons that they use to break into the house, right? Very easy. So some of the criminals do that. So those are some of the things that we talk about.
我哋係主要做交通安全同埋所有啲安全嘅衣服，即係反光嘅衫啦、反光嘅材料啦、物料啦，同埋咧如果係個人嘅安全咧，我哋有單車嘅衫啦。 有路邊嗰啲反光衫啊、反光雪糕筒啊，有關交通安全同埋駕駛安全嘅都有。其實我哋唔係第一次㗎啦，已經好幾年同42分局咧都有合作，就一路咧都係參與咧，即係想話推廣呢個交通安全個意識，就等多啲人知道咧喺道路上面嘅安全啊，同埋即係個人嘅安全，最緊要就係等駕駛者會睇到你。所以我哋嗰啲產品咧，全部係反光，只要有光射埋嚟咧，就可以有一個好清晰嘅反光咁俾人睇到，就唔使加電啊，唔使加乜嘢，咁啊即係你自己着咗上身唔覺咧，就嗰個已經係安全啦。今次咧特別咧就係講解俾啲嗰啲路人知道，喺平時如果你着個衫係黑色衫咧，你只係100零公尺嗰度睇到你嘅咋。咁你 driver 咧駕車人士能夠停嘅咧，起碼要1分鐘先停到咧，要嚟到呢度先停到，所以睇到你咧都停唔切。咁我哋咧就話呢個已經係有一個專家做嘅一個分析嚟嘅。你如果着一啲有顏色嘅衫咧會好啲，如果着有反光或者係熒光嘅咧又會好啲，就大概都係喺78公尺嗰度會見到你。但係都未曾停得切，最好咧你係着白色嘅衫，咁咧就變咗好早會睇到你。咁啊最好嘅當然就着反光衫啦。你着到反光衫咧，就睇到你，佢仲停得切。呢個 chart 咧就係咁樣嘅代表啦。即係所以咧就主要就話俾啲路人聽，你一定要就算唔着反光咧，都要着淺色衫或者係白色嘅衫。你一着黑色衫咧，係見到你都停唔切㗎，咁所以好多事故咧就係咁樣發生嘅。咁呢個咧就係我哋今次嚟嘅目的。
我姓黎嘅係多倫多42分局喺士嘉堡嘅探員，我就喺而家咧就喺意外調查組嗰度做。其實我基本上咧，我哋每年咧都會做一個大型啲嘅seminar 嘅講座。咁今年同埋如果冇錯，舊年咧都係有關交通安全嘅，因為咧唔係淨係士嘉堡，只不過係咧，因為其實士嘉堡有好多亞裔人，就淨係講中文。咁於是我哋特別咧就做一個講座，係對於亞裔人用中文嚟到講，等佢明白容易啲了解。基本上我哋嘅目的咧就係交通安全，包括駕駛人士啊、行人啊、踩單車啊，希望我哋能夠俾啲資料佢哋。等佢帶翻屋企，可以令到佢哋減少做受害人嘅機會，唔好俾車撞到啊，或者係避免撞到車啊。咁人物財物都可以減少。覺得以我自己嘅經驗咧，最重要就係集中精神，提高警覺。好多時啲人咧分神咧，唔係淨係話而家好咗，你只要有新例唔可以揸唔可以講電話啊，或者睇電視啊咁樣啦。但係其實呢樣嘢不嬲都有啦。但係唔係淨係呢樣嘢，有時有啲人有時或者太過投入去傾偈啊，同隔離嗰人傾偈啊，或者係睇第啲嘢啊，或者係有時心諗住一陣間翻工要去做講座啊，究竟點樣做？分咗神咧，有好多時意外咧。係1/10秒就係咁多時間就會產生㗎啦。咁如果好質係輕微，但係嚴重嘅時候，有時有人命都可能受傷咯。
感謝收看今天的大多故事，我們下期再見。